Alright guys, sorry for the content delay. Things have been so busy and I haven't been able to sit down and make any new videos for this channel lately, but I'm hoping that will change soon. I wanted to update you guys on a few new builds that I'm working on and give you the option of what you wanted to see more in depth first, like for later videos. First off, all of my guns are checked and they're safe to use within my home. And as always, if you want links to my builds, they are listed in my kit page in the description. Some of the links are affiliate links, which go towards supporting the channel. So thank you to any of you guys who actually use those. First off, my 2021 EDC is already outdated. I now carry, instead of my P365 XL, either my Glock 45 or my 43X MOS. Both of these builds are still in progress and I have a few more things I want to do to them, but as of right now, both function beautifully and I feel like I'm more effective and accurate than ever before. My confidence in shooting has really increased dramatically since switching to Glock, and call me a Glock fanboy, I really don't care. These guns do their job and they do it well. I'll be making a separate video on both of these guns and especially how the 43X stacks up against the P365 XL, so look forward to that. As for rifles, I'm super excited to show you guys the progress on my new custom Radian Lower build. This is definitely the smoothest rifle I've ever shot and I'm super proud of its performance so far. This build has a few more things I need to add to it before it's complete, like possibly either an EOTech or a Vortex 1-6, but overall I'm most excited to throw on the new can I just filed for, the SOCOM 300 SPS. Speaking of the SOCOM, the real reason I went with the 300 SPS is because of my 300 blackout build. I've been looking forward to suppressing this build since the day I purchased the upper. I knew that there was only one way to shoot a 300 blackout, and that's with subsonic ammo. So get ready for that video because it's one that actually inspired the channel in the first place, as this was my first AR build. And that's pretty much it for builds and updates. I'm excited to see what you guys are interested in, and if you have any ideas for the channel, let me know. I want to give you guys what you want, so comment below. Oh, and there's one last thing. I just wanted to genuinely thank you guys for being so awesome. On one of my last comparison videos, you guys blew up the comments section with super positive feedback and just kind words in general. I tried to respond to everybody, but seriously, it was so inspiring to see how this community is truly a family. So genuinely thank you guys. Until next time, make sure you comment below what you want to see next.